Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix an iPhone 16 Pro Max that's not automatically connect to Wi-Fi network. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on Wi-Fi and then click on info icon, and here you can see the auto join button. If you turn this button off, then turn it on. After turning this button on, your automatically connect to Wi-Fi network will be enabled. If it doesn't work, then forget your network and then reconnect this network. So this is the way to fix an iPhone 16 Pro Max that's not automatically connect to Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching this video.